Ashish as well as Mr. Prabhakar. Thank you so much for joining us on ET Now. And Mr. Prabhakar.
Ashish, coming to you purely on the charts. Back then, in just 1.5 months, we have seen all these auto counters dragging down from their high levels. But for now, we are seeing a rebound in all of these stocks from the likes of Maruti Suzuki, Bajaj Auto, TVS Motors. Once again, they are continuing the up move. So onto the charts, which one will be your top picks?
Hi, morning to you and all the viewers. If you look at the Nifty auto sector as a whole, we can clearly see it has been consolidating for quite some time, maybe around 6 months when the sector has been just moving in a range. That shows that the stocks within the sector are also not done much in this period of time. Now, having said that, the sector has still managed to protect its 200 days average, and I think it has been some time. We should start seeing an up move over here on Nifty auto, and it can start outperforming. The interest rates are going to be definitely putting pressure on the prices, but at the same time, the overall chart looks to be promising to me. So I think auto sector can be the space one has to be with. And if you look at stock of Maruti, we can clearly see a very strong breakout that has happened yesterday, and even today when the broader market is down, Maruti is relatively outperforming. That's a very positive sign, because when we're seeing the pressure on Nifty and the broader market, Maruti is managing to sustain in the green on the upside. So that's a positive sign. So I think Maruti can head towards the level of around 9250 on the upside over short term, and possibly cross that 9750 levels also. Also, it has taken support near the 200 days average, bouncing back from there. And on the downside, the important support for Maruti comes to around 8,300. So as long as 8,300 is intact, I think Maruti can be the top pick. And if you look at Tata Motors has not done much over the past many months. It has been moving in a downward sloping channel, if you see that, and is also finding resistance at the 200 days average, but at the same time managing to show some kind of an attempt on the upside, forming an inverted head and shoulder pattern. And the target on the upside for Tata Motors comes to around 460. So over short term, Tata Motors can head towards 460, and if it manages to break that level, then we can see 520 levels also on the upside. So the chart is looking more like a consolidation for Tata Motors and more bullish for Maruti. But over the long run, I think both of these stocks should do well.
All right, over the long term, Maruti Tata Motors should do well. Tata Motors seems to be in a consolidatory phase, but definite up move coming in for that Maruti Suzuki. But on that note, we slip into a break on this edition of Buy Now Sell Now. Viewers, stay tuned.